The first day, almost 11 hours after we went live. It was strange because that was the first true alert that I'd gotten. And, I'm sitting at home that night and the alert goes off. And, I'm kind of watching it, grabbing the radio, just listening to see how, we trained the officers, but I just wanted to hear how the officers responded. It was a dead end road. The officers responded. They actually see an individual walking inside the house, clutching something. They approach. There's a female outside. They actually see a spent casing outside, and they realize that this is a domestic violence situation. The female goes on to explain that her and her boyfriend were outside fighting, and he actually withdrew a pistol, fired it in the air, and ran inside at the sight of police officers. He eventually came back out. He was charged with domestic violence. Consent was given on the house. The gun was recovered. He was charged with possession of actually a stolen handgun as well, and firing illegally in the city limits. So again, that case would have never happened. No corresponding 911 calls. She had access to a cell phone, but she hadn't called by the time we got there. So again, a domestic violence situation involving a handgun is a huge success to us.